Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking on a living legend, a car that has defined an entire class for nearly 5 decades. We're talking about the Volkswagen Golf GTI, and we're going to tackle a question that's more relevant now than ever. Is it still the king of hot hatches? Let's start with the heart of the matter. The latest Golf GTI, the refreshed MK 8.5, is powered by a refined version of the iconic AR888 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This engine now produces 261 horsepower in the European markets, a slight bump over previous models, and a robust 273 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent exclusively to the front wheels through a snappy and efficient 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission. Unfortunately for purists, the manual option has been discontinued, which is a major point of contention. Still, the performance is undeniable. The GTI can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a quick 5.9 seconds. What truly makes the GTI's performance special, however, is its incredible everyday usability. It's a car that is perfectly at home on a morning commute, but with a flick of a switch, it transforms into a thrilling machine on a winding back road. The latest GTI has received a number of key updates that address some of the criticisms of the initial MK8. Visually, the exterior has a subtle but effective refresh, with a cleaner front fascia and new lighting signatures. Inside, the changes are much more dramatic. The controversial haptic touch buttons on the steering wheel have been replaced with traditional physical buttons, a move that will be greatly appreciated by enthusiasts. The infotainment system has also received a major overhaul, with a new, larger 12.9-inch touchscreen and much more intuitive software, which is a significant improvement in user experience. The cabin still maintains that signature GTI feel, with the classic tartan seats and a premium, well-built atmosphere that feels a class above its rivals. In terms of pricing, the Volkswagen Golf GTI continues to offer an impressive blend of performance and premium features for the money. In the US, the base model starts at around $32,445, a price that is very competitive against rivals like the Honda Civic, and even some electric hot hatches. While the price can climb for higher trims, it remains a fantastic value proposition in this segment. So is it still the king? The answer is a nuanced one. The secret strength of the Volkswagen Golf GTI has never been about having the most power or being the fastest around a track. It's about being the perfect all-rounder. It's the car that a single person can drive to work every day, and a small family can use on a weekend road trip. It offers a level of refinement and ride quality that its more aggressive rivals often lack. While cars like the Hyundai Elantra or Toyota GR Corolla might offer more raw, brutal performance, they do so with a firmer ride and a more track-focused mindset. Who is the Volkswagen Golf GTI for? It's for the car enthusiast who needs one car to do it all. It's for the driver who appreciates a car that is both refined and fun. A vehicle that offers a sophisticated driving experience with a nod to its legendary heritage. This car is for those who understand that being the king isn't just about speed, but about a perfect balance of all the things that make a car great. What are your thoughts on the new Golf GTI? Do you think it's still the king, or has a new contender taken its throne? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AutoGood for more iconic car reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.